there, I'm Mariana from Crafting Happiness, and on this channel I post crochet tutorials and patterns every week. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the basket weave stitch. This is a double-sided pattern that looks great on baby blankets, afghans, shawls and more. To begin, chain 41 or any multiples of 8 chains plus 1. Start first row by double crocheting in the 5th chain from the hook. Then make a double crochet in each of the remaining chains. And this is how your first row looks like. Now turn your work and chain 3 to begin the second row, and this counts as a double crochet. Next we'll be making a front post double crochet, and to make a front post double crochet you yarn over, insert your hook from front to back around the stitch post from the previous row, like so. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and make sure the loop it's quite loose, otherwise your stitches will curl forward. And now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 remaining loops. And this is how you make the front post double crochet. Now let's make 3 more. And next we'll be making a back post double crochet. And to make a back post double crochet, yarn over, and this time we are going from the back to front around the stitch post. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and again make sure the loop is quite loose. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you make a back post double crochet. So now make 3 more. And this is what we have so far. And keep alternating 4 front post double crochet stitches with 4 back post double crochet stitches across the row until you have 1 stitch left. And this is what we have so far, and you can see I alternated the 4 front post double crochet stitches with the 4 back post double crochet stitches all the way until I have 1 stitch left. And then I'll go ahead and double crochet in that stitch. And this is your second row. Now turn and chain 3. And again this counts as a double crochet. And then we'll be making 4 back post double crochet stitches. So make sure the loop you pull is quite loose, like I said before. Okay, and now 4 front post double crochet stitches. And don't worry if it curls, this is normal. Once you block your blanket, they will loosen up. Okay, and now we will going to alternate making 4 back post double crochet stitches with 4 front post double crochet stitches across the row until we have 1 stitch left. And now I've reached the end. I have one stitch left, and as you can see, I kept alternating my back post double crochet stitches with the front post double crochet stitches, 4 of each, and this is how it looks like. So what we do, we double crochet in the next and last stitch, and we are done with the third row. And now we are going to turn and repeat this third row. So we do the same order of stitches. We start with 4 back post double crochet. Okay, and next we make 4 front post double crochet. And this is how it looks so far. You can see we're starting a new block. They look like tiny blocks, and this is the beginning of a new block. And all you have to do is alternate the 4 back post double crochet with 4 front post double crochet until you have 1 stitch left. And now I reach the end of the row. I have 1 stitch left, and I'm going to double crochet in it. And this is your 4th row, and you can see how I alternated the 4 back post double crochet with the 4 front post double crochet. Now we're going to start row 5 by turning and chaining 3. And I know it looks like we are making the same stitches, but this time we are going to switch the order in which we make those stitches, and that will create the basket weave pattern. If you want a simpler method, I have a different video where I'll show you the easiest way to make a basket weave stitch, so I'll put a link in the description for you. But let's continue with this one, and we will start by making 4 front post double crochet this time. So let's make those 4 post double crochet, and they are followed by 4 back post double crochet. And again, keep alternating 4 front post double crochet stitches with 4 back post double crochet stitches across the row until you have 1 stitch left. I have now reached the end of the row, and I have 1 stitch left, so now I'm going to double crochet in it, and this is my 5th row. And now you can clearly see the pattern, the basket weave stitch pattern forming. And we will do 1 more row, which is identical to row 5. And then I'll show you the repeat sequence so you can complete your blanket. So chain 3. And then, like we did before, start making 4 front post double crochet, Then make 4 back post double crochet. And again, keep alternating, making the 4 front post double crochet followed by the 4 back post double crochet until you have 1 stitch left. And now I've reached the end of my row. I have 1 stitch. I'm going to double crochet in it, and this is the 6th row. And all you have to do now to continue with this pattern is repeat rows 3, 4, 5 and 6 until you have the required length. And this is how you crochet the basket weave stitch. If you want to be notified of future crochet tutorials and patterns, consider subscribing to Crafting Happiness channel and hit the notification bell besides the subscribe button. Happy crocheting!